What's up, people? Yo, so you know how everything is about the Olympics now? Everybody getting all hyped up and pumped up. By the time this video is done, you'll see why we Jamaicans are so hardcore when it comes to the Olympics. Or is that only track and field? There's one word that sums up Jamaican athletes: fast.
Little boy, you're not eating anything? Eat up, man.
Nah, Bridget, I'm fasting, man.
Fasting teaches you self-control, and it's one of the main ingredients when it comes to being a Jamaican athlete. And as they say, jumping jacks is a great way to get the heart rate going. Don't get too scared, because when the jack in the box jumps, it looks like it's going to jump out and lick you, but don't worry, it won't lick you. And keep doing those sit-ups.
200 seconds of sitting up straight, perfect for my back to get that nice posture.
No slouching, man. Get your lazy self up. You need to have good posture. Stupid braces. Posture. It sounds like that Italian food. Feeling pumped already. And yo, like even I'm sweating talking to you guys. Yo, seriously guys, the lights are hot, brethren. Excuse me for 1 second. Water break.
My water break.
And I know this routine may seem really intense, but ladies, you can take part in it too. If you're serious about being a Jamaican athlete, you have to incorporate the push-ups. They're good because they don't leave anything dangling everywhere, and they're not as tight as those sports bras that squeeze everything. And if you're a little less well endowed in the chest area, it makes it look like you have a little something there. So it's a win-win situation. Now this is where things get a little more hardcore, but don't worry, you can do it, man, because we're dealing now with the leg press. Be careful when you're pressing your pant legs and make sure you get out all those wrinkles, because you know Jamaican grandma will be on you.
What? You never iron your pants? There is a wrinkle right down there.
Whew, that was intense. Looks like you guys are sweating buckets. So with all this said and done, I have a serious question to ask you guys. Why in Blue Crosses is McDonald's the official restaurant of the Olympics? Why? Let me know your thoughts and comments down below in the boombox. And to help you relax after this intense routine, try and solve this week's riddle. Keep fit, have fun, and until next time, I'm Leroy Stedman Kenton, the original natural born Jamaican black man. Boom. Me out.
Okay. 200 seconds of sitting up straight.
I zoomed in instead of zooming out.
It's all good. Oh shoot, water's dripping over.
I just drop it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Grandma. Alright.